Weather briefing for April 10th. Cold front will move through tonight, tomorrow morning, northwest Montana, and also in north central Idaho. Then it will kind of weaken, but bring lots of clouds. Then we'll have steadier showers move in Friday night, north central Idaho to southwest Montana, and then showers Saturday. West winds 10 to 20 miles an hour, maybe some gusts to 25. Moderate to heavy snow showers in the glacier region Saturday night into Sunday morning. And then a delightful spring start to next week. Looking for some wind on Friday and all Saturday. Maybe some snow showers in the passes, maybe periodic, trace to a slushy inch. Chance of snow on Sunday, area wide, but better chance in the glacier region. Mild and dry Monday and Tuesday, maybe a little bit of a wind on Tuesday as the flow flattens to more of a zonal flow. Here's a satellite loop looking at the cold front that's going to move through tonight. That's in the white. And then the next disturbance is going to move through over the weekend. You can't really see it in this infrared. Water vapor shows it a little bit better. Some high clouds moving in through the area today. That will dim the sun just a little bit, but still a pretty nice day. Here's a chance of precip through Friday morning. Better chance for some, a couple hundredths here and there from Clearwater County, north and east, and into northwest Montana. Then the front kind of weakens. So this is just precip amounts through tomorrow morning. Cloud cover tomorrow afternoon. Clouds tomorrow, then Thursday. Initially we had some highs around 70, Missoula to Hamilton, but it's looking more likely it's going to be more in the low to mid 60s. This is the probability of highs greater than 66 degrees on Friday. Better chance in southwest Montana. Chance of wind gusts greater than 25 miles an hour Friday, and that's kind of like Lemhi County into southwest Montana. And this is Friday night precip. Couple hundredths here and there, maybe like up to a tenth on the Bitterroot Spine. And this is an example of what the radar may look like Saturday afternoon. We're going to have, snow possible southwest Montana, but it probably not going to stick very well. Graupel showers, maybe some rain snow showers in northwest Montana. Snow levels will be generally 3,000 to 4,000 feet on Saturday during the day. And then this is Saturday night, this is like 3 a.m. This is what the radar may look like. This is from the University of Washington Wharf, showing that wraparound precip mid-level low in north central Montana. Snow levels will generally be around 2,500 feet. This is one of those things where some of these heavier snow showers may bring trace to 1 inch accumulation in the Flathead Valley. This is like at least expect this much snow in terms of probabilities, 75% chance. So we're looking at several inches of snow in the glacier region, in the mountains, 6 to 8 inches in the higher elevations near Logan Pass, 3 inches Whitefish, 2 to 4 inches Morais Pass, 5-6 inches in the Swan Range, and maybe a trace at Swan Lake. Here's looking at the most likely amount, so we're looking closer to the 50th percentile, and we're looking at close to 10 inches in the Swan, 8 inches at Logan Pass. The 3 inches there is more for that hairpin curve, depending on how far the snow plowing crew has made it on the Going to Sun Road. Most likely amounts of 1 inch in Polebridge and West Glacier, 1 inch only, trace to 1 inch, Flathead Valley, Marion, and Yak. With these types of wraparound events, depending on how that mid-level low evolves northeast of Great Falls, some places may get higher amounts. So this is a lower probability, 13 to 15 inches in the higher elevations, and maybe 1 to 2 inches in some of the lower valleys, 7 to 9 inches from like Devil's Creek to Morais Pass. And then elsewhere we're looking at maybe a trace to 2 inches. This is the probability of wind gusts greater than 20 on Tuesday. It's going to be a pretty warm day, just be a little breezy, especially stronger gusts, 30 miles an hour or greater, could be along the divide. This is like the 50th percentile, so middle of the road highs for Tuesday. We're looking at 60s and 70s. I'm just going to fly through these, and you can pause it if you want to look at an individual station. This is the max RHs and min RHs. So perching it to Fire Partners. Highs and lows. This is the maximum sustained wind for select locations. Max peak wind gusts. Precip ranges, snow levels. So if this says 29, that means 2,900 feet. Snow forecast ranges. Cloud cover. This is showing better chance for sunshine on Monday. 6 to 10 day outlook leaning above average for temperatures and below average for precipitation. Next briefing will be Sunday, April 13th.